Today we're going to make a snowflake, a small one, from 3/8 square stock. Last week we made one from 3/4, and this is one smaller. Where this came from was a gentleman named Dave Schweitzer came to the Indiana Blacksmith Association monthly meeting Saturday that the Covered Bridge Blacksmith Guild hosted. And he had watched the video that I made on making them with 3/4 inch square bar. And he made them out of 3/8, starting with a piece 1.5 inches long. And he cut them with a hacksaw. And he cut, get it where you can see it, he cut two 3/8 long curves, 1/8 inch apart, and on the same plane he cut two 7/8 long curves, 1/8 inch apart. Then he turned it 90 degrees and he cut just the opposite. He cut two curves 7/8 on this end, and he cut two curves 3/8, 1/8 inch apart on this end. Okay. Now, in our 3/4 inch snowflake video, we used the forge. Something this small, I thought we'd try something different, and we're going to use MAP gas. We're going to use a torch with MAP gas to heat it up to open it up. Now, like I said, Dave cut his with a hacksaw. I cut mine, to be honest with you, with a porter band, with my modified porter band, with a fence on it, set at 1/8 inch. Worked just fine. So, we're going to proceed with the video. I hope you enjoy it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the vise, and we're going to leave it just a little bit above our long curve. And we're running this way. Now some of these you see, if you can see them sitting back here, I made earlier. And I made them using the oxyacetylene torch. This time, since not everybody has an oxyacetylene torch and they're pretty expensive to get, this time we're going to use MAP gas. So here we go. You want to heat the side of that. Now this little knife I'm going to use is just a cheapy steel knife. Once we get that to a good orange heat, we'll stick our knife in there. We're going to open it a little bit. Now we're going to come over here. Takes a little longer with MAP gas than it does with propane or with oxyacetylene, but it works. So we heat that up. Once again, we twist it sideways. Now that we have it open, I want to bend that straight down to a 90. Got to come over here. Going to bend that down to a 90. Try to keep it lined up as we go. Now, if we've got that one hot, and heat that up some more. Get that knife in there. Pull that at about a 45. Stick our knife in there. Bring that out about a 45. Speed them up. Same thing over here. Bring that to a 90. Stick the knife in there. Or 45, I mean, not a 90, 45, I'm sorry. Now, gonna heat this one up. Pull it down. Keep that back up. And there we have one side done. Now we're going to take it. We're just going to kind of make sure everything's straight here. We're going to flip it over. Now we don't want to stick it too far down in there because we want to make sure we got room to bend it. There we go. Now we're going to take it, we're going to take our knife again, we're going to heat it up, just like we did on the other side. Going to heat it down low. And a good orange heat. Take the good sharp side of our knife and we open that up. Once again, the good sharp side of our knife. Open that up. While we got it hot. We want to bend that down. Probably got it a little too far. Beat the other side. We bend it down, grab it again, bend it down. We want to get those just about the same. Now while we got that one hot, stick our knife in there, pull it at a 45. Stick our knife in there, pull it at a 45. Stick my knife in there, pull it at a 45. Stick my knife in there, pull it at a 45. Make sure we're straight here. Pull it at a 45. Stick it in there. Pull it at a 45. Let's take a good look at it. That one's not quite 45. There we go. Now we just want to kind of even everything out. Okay, I'm happy with it. And there it is. Right there. So there it is. And all you gotta do now is take and drill a little hole on this flat right here, or this flat right here. Doesn't really matter, on one of the flats, so that you can hang it by a piece of fishing line. So that's our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like I said, this one is fairly straightforward. With just a few tools you can make it. So I hope you found it useful, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like it and share it with your friends. I would appreciate it. You all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe, and thanks for watching.